Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're going to fix the wrong pointing GPS arrow now. First, make sure location and GPS modes are active. Set high accuracy for best results. Restart the device to clear transient sensor errors and close heavy apps that use GPS. Once done, check for and install any system or navigation app updates. Those often include sensor fixes. Then calibrate the compass by waving the phone in a figure 8 away from metal objects. This resets orientation and prevents the arrow from spinning or pointing the wrong way. Now you'll dive deeper. Confirm the navigation app has precise location permission while active, not just approximate or background access, because permissions affect which sensors are used. If the problem persists, clear the app cache or data. Reinstalling removes corrupt settings. Use a GPS diagnostic app to check satellite lock, signal-to-noise, and horizontal accuracy reported in meters. If you see few satellites or poor accuracy, move outdoors. Hold steady and wait for a full fix. This is often why the arrow points wrong. To finish, reset the radios by toggling airplane mode for about 10 seconds. This forces GPS and cell radios to require satellites and cell towers. Make sure magnetic interference isn't the culprit. Remove cases, metal mounts, or chargers and test again. If software or sensor calibration still fails, back up your data and try a factory reset as a last resort, because corrupted system settings can misreport orientation. If problems continue, seek device service. Tell the technician about compass calibration and satellite lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.